In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar for birthday reminders so you never forget an important date again. This is a simple and reliable way to keep track of birthdays, set yearly reminders, and make sure you always get notified ahead of time. Whether you want to remember family birthdays, friends' birthdays, or important client dates, this quick setup can save you from last-minute panic and missed celebrations. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your schedule and all of your existing events. Now, to create a birthday reminder, look for the Create button in the top left corner and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Event. A new event window will open, and this is where you'll enter all the birthday details. In the title field, type the person's name followed by birthday. For example, you could write John's birthday. This makes it easy to see exactly what the reminder is for when it shows up on your calendar. Next, select the birthday date. Click on the Date field and choose the correct day, month, and year if needed. If you only want to remember the recurring birthday each year, the exact year is less important, but you should still pick the correct date so the event starts on the right day. Now make sure to check the All Day box. This is important because birthdays usually do not need a specific hour or time. Keeping it as an all-day event makes a reminder cleaner and easier to manage. After that, look for the Does Not Repeat option. Click on it and change the setting to every year. This is the key step that turns your birthday reminder into a repeating annual event. Once you set it to repeat every year, Google Calendar will automatically bring it back each year without you needing to recreate it manually. The next step is adding a notification. Click Add Notification and choose when you want to be reminded. For example, you can set it to remind you 1 week before the birthday, so you have enough time to buy a gift, plan a message, or organize a celebration. You can also add more than one reminder if you want an extra alert closer to the date. Once everything looks correct, double-check the name, date, repeat setting, and notification time. If all the details are right, click Save. Google Calendar will now store the birthday as a yearly reminder, and it will notify you based on the alert you set. And that's it. You've now set up a birthday reminder in Google Calendar that repeats every year. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and never miss an important birthday again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.